I'm probably that's probably annoying, but I really don't care what you think. Anyways, we back. We probably busted out some eardrums, some headphones, some TV speakers, whatever. Messed all that up. But we back, man. We back. I just dropped the kids and my spouse off, her wife, pretty much. I mean, I'm not married yet, but anyway, that's not the topic of the day. When I get to that point, we will get there. Anyways, we back. I made this video 2 days ago. I made it on Friday. Today's Sunday. I was gonna make it yesterday, but I was like, bro, I was so mad. I made this video already and it did not record. I'm not gonna lie, I was mad, bro. I was mad. I made it was like 20 minutes, but it didn't record. So I'm gonna make it again. I do not have a seatbelt on, bro. Am I trying to get pulled over in Chicago, bro? Quick side story, bro. I got pulled over the other day too, not having a seatbelt on too. That's crazy. I mean, it's not crazy, but like, luckily my parents are cops. Was cops. They're retired now, and I got off easy on that one. So lucky me. Anyways, anywho, oh my gosh, hold on. Oh yeah, I haven't done a video during the day, so I'm not even sure how this is going to even turn out. Hopefully it turns out good, I hope. But we will see. I'm not even sure. Let me do it like that though. Anyways, I want to talk about winning streaks like I did the other day. Let's talk about winning streaks. So in these past couple weeks, I've been on a winning streak. And I've been scalping. Like I've told you guys before, I've scalped. I've been finding my success in really scalping. I used to swing trade a while ago, but that didn't really work out for me. But I did notice in my trading of me winning so much that, obviously through, recording your trades, writing it on the computer, typing mine out. Y'all know how I do it. I type mine out on the computer and then review at the end of the day and at the end of the week. Because by seeing it, it helps me a lot better than writing it on paper. I think I might start writing on paper just to, I guess a double touch and then review at the end of the day, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, y'all know I'm an ICT student. So in one of the models, day trading advanced or amplified scalping for his 2016 model, the 1 to 12 months, I've been really finding success in the scalping / day trading model. But I have in the past found success in the short-term I didn't even know that was a thing, in the short-term trading model, right? And when I've been recording my trades and I've been on this winning streak, there's dangers of being in a winning streak. Like, I have not been on this long of a winning streak for like a month. I think I've been on about a month now, winning streak. And I've been super selective with my trades. I'm starting to feel now, starting to get to that point where I don't need to trade every day. And like the short term, what I'm saying is the short term model, trading model, which is 1 to 5 days, looking at the weekly range and expansion, trying to find out where the weekly range could possibly, the most volume is going to head towards. I've really found something that I used to do, and it's starting to click back in with me with this winning streak, and I've been on this winning streak because of that. So I really personally use the short-term trading model now a lot more than I used to, and I'm using that weekly range, and I've been killing the markets. But here's the thing about winning streaks: when you're winning so much, you just on a high. And I'm not like the high I'm talking about. Obviously, we're not talking about the other high, but the high I'm talking about, it's like dopamine, like just immense amount of dopamine releases in your brain, chemical. Like it's just you feeling on cloud 9 right now. Like you feel so good. I'm not gonna lie, like that winning streak really made me feel. I'm still on it right now. Oh no, nah, I'm lying. I'm not on it. I had lost on Thursday, and then but I won for the day, but I lost my trade though. I had to do y'all count that as a loss? Yeah, I mean I do. I would count that as a loss. But anyways, I lost that trade, and then I had to reanalyze the market I was in, and then I won for the day. So I was able to recover what I lost plus like a %. So anyways, I mean, I'm off the winning streak. That's what I'm saying, without losing, without hitting stop loss. And when you're on this high, pretty much, get back to, I'm kind of like drifting out. When you're on this high though, of like on this winning streak, you gotta be real mindful, because it's really dangerous being on a winning streak for so long and you feel like you literally are King Kong. Like you literally feel like you on top of the world. Like there's no way nobody's gonna tell you that you don't know what you're doing, or what you're doing in the market is not, like you calling the market to a T. Like to the T. And you're looking like, man, like I'm really doing this right now. I'm really killing it right now. Like I'm really getting up, being disciplined, doing my routine, and I'm coming in the market and I'm executing my plan, and I'm catching points or pips or whatever market you trade. Like I mean, I know it's points, or ICT says handles. That was a new concept to me. I didn't know it was called that, but points. What makes it easier for me is the point system. So every 100 points is 1,000 pips. So the point system, so you know, that just works easier for me to kind of like calculate myself. But anyways, like I really felt like I was just like I was not going to lose it again. I was like, bro, I don't know if I am going to ever not be, you know, I don't know if I ever get on a losing streak, because I haven't had a losing streak in a while, but it'll be like win, loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, 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 loss, win, loss, 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 win. I guess the losing streak would be what, more than 2. Anyways, look, I don't know what the qualifications are for that, but what I mean by losing streak is I haven't lost like a whole week in a row, or I haven't lost like 2 weeks or a month in a row. I haven't had no big losing streak like that in a while. But when you are winning though, just be mindful. Just be mindful of what you're doing, how you feeling. Understand that yes, you feel good. Yes, you're confident. Yes, you are killing it. You are that guy, you that lady, you that girl, you know, that dude, whatever. Like you're that person. You're that person that put that work in and put the time in and got the results that you were looking for. But don't let it go to your head, because I felt myself getting into my head, and the day I lost, when I hit that stop loss, I broke my rules because I had added more positions than I needed to and lost about 4%. And this was the funded account. So I'm doing the funded account challenge, whatever, like the funded account, and I lost 4% in a day. That's way too much, But I was able to recoup all of that plus a percent on that same day, even though I shouldn't have even traded, but like trying not to lose or whatever. But that's something I need to keep working on. But like, don't let it get to your head, because that right there, what happened to me can happen to you. Or worse, you could blow the account, or you could do something like that. It haven't happened in a long time. I had my emotions in check for a long time until I got on that winning streak. When you get on that winning streak, though, it just feels like you just unstoppable, bro. So I hope y'all can see all this, bro. I know I ain't spitting all over the place, bro. I promise. You probably see the little pieces though. I hope not. we'll see how this turns out. But anyways, just make sure when you're on a winning streak that you just know that yes, you're winning. Yes, you are that person. But I can still lose my next trade. There is no guarantees in this market. Our market does not owe you anything. And you got, yes, I'm excited. And it's kind of hard, actually, to calm yourself down from being super excited like that. Like, it's pretty hard to calm yourself down because you're just so hyped. You be like, man, let's go. Let's get to the next trade. Let's go. And that can get over your head, and you could be like really emotional. So you just gotta be careful, man. You just gotta be careful. This is a really quick video, but you just gotta be careful. If you same thing on losing streaks, and that could be a different video, but you know, winning streaks is just like you're doing your thing, you killing the market, you're doing exactly what you thought you were gonna do. But don't let that go over your head, get to your head or pump your head up so much that you think you can't lose. And the market will show you and punch you right in your mouth. It's gonna sneak punch you. It's gonna get you. So you're gonna eventually lose, but you just don't want it to be a loss that is gonna take out weeks of work, or a whole couple days of work, a month of work. I definitely just spit it right there. But anyways, but you just don't want that. You just don't want to do that. You don't want to be in that situation. It didn't feel good being down 4% when you're risking a certain amount. You shouldn't even be down that much. You just got to put rules in place and you just got to stick to them. If you're going to enter one time or multiple times, then like I said, that could be another video too. But yeah, other than that, I ain't even drinking none of this pre. But yeah, I just got to the gym. I don't know if anybody else loves daylight savings, but I'm loving this sun, though. I ain't gonna lie. Keeping the sun out. It's about 5:30 right now. Feels good. Feels good. Come on, man. Come on. I'm about to turn. Y'all looking at me, folks. Ugly so. But anyways, that's all I got, man. That's all I got, bro. I was just trying to let somebody know that they going on the winning streak like I did, that you gonna come across your own challenges inside your own head while being on that winning streak. You just don't let yourself get too hyped up to the point that you just become blind to what's going on. That's all I got, man. Shoot, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, man. Get up out of here. Get this work in. I'll catch y'all later. I'm out. Yep, gone.